What's up, y'all? Getting ready to head out this evening. It's pretty cool out. It's low 60s. A little bit of a drizzle and rain. I got a good feeling. Hoping these big bucks be up on their feet, but only one way to find out. I'm gonna go ahead and head that way and get after it. Oh, spinning out the yard a little. Maybe my wife won't kill me. All right, see y'all when we get there. Ridge line over here beside me. It's like a long dose. Maybe a buck won't be far behind them. Well, not long. It was probably 10 minutes after I saw that doe, a little spike come in behind her. Couldn't get it on camera because, you know, the whole camera phone don't zoom in that well. But I'm going to do the best I can for y'all to get a good video.